Walk into any Apple store and they'll gladly hand you a $1,200 iPad Pro with a smile. Step into Best Buy and you'll probably walk out with a $900 Samsung Galaxy Tab because that's what they'll push the hardest. But here's what most people never hear. You don't need to spend anywhere near that much money to get flagship-level performance. Right now, there are tablets on Amazon that cost less than half of that, yet deliver the same, and in some cases better, display quality, performance, and battery life. We're talking about devices that come loaded with features Apple usually charges extra for, but they fly under the radar because they don't have flashy ads or fruit logos. After weeks of hands-on testing, performance benchmarking, and reading through hundreds of real buyer reviews, I've narrowed it down to 5 tablets that absolutely crush expectations for their price. And trust me, once you see what number 2 offers, you'll understand why Apple had to start selling it as a separate accessory. And the number 1 tablet? It's running display technology that even $2,000 flagship models can't match. By the end of this video, you'll either be thrilled you waited before buying your next tablet, or slightly mad that you spent way more than you needed to. Now let's begin with a tablet that feels like a glitch in the system. Something so powerful for the money, it almost feels unfair. The Xiaomi Poco Pad, priced around $230, might just be the best deal in the tablet market right now. It's rocking a huge 12.1-inch 2.5K IPS display with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Watching movies, browsing, or gaming on this screen feels incredible. Colors pop, motion is fluid, and thanks to Dolby Vision support, your Netflix or YouTube sessions look way better than you'd expect at this price. With 600 nits of brightness, it even holds up outdoors, which is rare for budget tablets. Under the hood, it runs on the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage that you can actually expand with a micro SD card. That means you're not stuck with limited space like most iPads. Performance is smooth. Multitasking feels natural, light gaming runs easily, and even heavier titles only need small graphics tweaks to stay playable. The 10,000 mAh battery keeps it going for around 12 hours, and 33-watt fast charging gets you back to 100% in about 2.5 hours. The 4 stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos deliver great sound for watching content or gaming, and the fact that you still get a headphone jack feels refreshing. The aluminum body gives it a solid premium feel, and at just 570 grams, it's light enough to hold for hours. At under $250, the Poco Pad delivers the kind of experience you'd normally expect from something twice the price. If you want something smaller and even faster, the Xiaomi Pad 7 is where things get serious. At around $320, it's a compact 11.2-inch tablet that finds the perfect middle ground between power and portability. The display here is a 3.2K HDR10 panel with Dolby Vision and an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. It's crisp, colorful, and fluid in every task. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing, the experience feels premium. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 and up to 12 GB of RAM, this tablet absolutely flies through multitasking. You can run multiple apps, switch between heavy games, and it barely warms up. Storage options go up to 256 GB, though there's no micro SD slot this time. The 13-megapixel rear camera shoots sharp 4K video, perfect for video calls or content creation. And the quad speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver clear, rich sound that's rare at this price. Battery life lasts around 8 to 9 hours, and with 45-watt fast charging, you can hit 40% battery in just half an hour. At only 500 grams, the Pad 7 feels light and refined in hand, with its aluminum build giving it that solid, premium feel. It even supports keyboards and styluses, making it a great pick for both productivity and entertainment. Honestly, for around $300, it's one of the best balanced tablets you can buy right now. Now, if you're someone who likes to draw, take notes, or do creative work, this next one might be the most interesting tablet on the list. The Huawei MatePad 11.5S, priced around $350, offers something truly different: a paper matte display. This 11.5-inch 2.8K screen doesn't just look good, it feels different. It has a subtle, paper-like texture that completely changes the experience of writing or sketching on it. No glare, no harsh reflections, just a natural, matte surface that's easy on the eyes and perfect for note-taking or drawing. The 144 Hz refresh rate keeps everything smooth, and with up to 1000 nits of brightness in HDR, the visuals still look fantastic. It's powered by Huawei's Kirin 9000WE processor with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which is more than enough for everyday work, studying, or creative projects. The 13-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel front camera both record full HD video, and the quad speakers deliver great sound for watching content or online classes. Battery life comes in around 8 to 9 hours, and with 22.5-watt fast charging, you can hit 40% in just a few hours. The 510-gram metal body feels premium yet light, and for students, artists, or professionals who take notes all day, the MatePad 11.5S feels like a digital notebook that's actually comfortable to use. Now, I know what you're thinking, an Apple product on a budget tablet list? But yes, the 2025 iPad actually deserves to be here. For around $380, Apple's latest base iPad finally delivers real value. It comes with an 11-inch liquid retina display that hits 500 nits of brightness with excellent color accuracy. Sure, it's not laminated, so there's a small air gap between the glass and display, but once you start using it, that's easy to forget. Where this iPad really shines is performance. The A16 Bionic chip is an absolute beast, easily outperforming anything else in this price range. Whether you're editing videos, playing heavy games, or just multitasking across apps, it handles everything without a hiccup. It has 6 GB of RAM, 12-megapixel cameras on both sides that shoot 4K video, and the stereo speakers deliver the crisp, clean audio Apple is known for. You also get fingerprint unlock on the power button, optional 5G, and compatibility with the Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, though you'll need to buy those separately. Battery life sits around 5 to 6 hours, which isn't the best, but still acceptable considering the power it's packing. The aluminum build feels as premium as ever, and if you're already in the Apple ecosystem, this is easily one of the smartest purchases you can make without overspending. And finally, let's talk about a tablet that will make even flagship owners jealous. The Honor MagicPad 2, priced around $440, takes everything good about high-end tablets and somehow delivers it under $500. The star of the show is its stunning 12.3-inch OLED display with 3K resolution, deep blacks, and vibrant color contrast that makes movies and photos come alive. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and IMAX enhanced certification, this tablet turns any video into a cinematic experience. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chip, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, giving you flagship-grade performance across the board, from gaming to multitasking to creative editing. The 13-megapixel rear and 9-megapixel front camera both record in 4K, and the quad 8-speaker surround sound system creates audio so immersive that you'll forget you're not wearing headphones. The 10,050 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, and the 66-watt fast charger brings it back to life in about 2 hours. And here's the kicker: Honor includes a keyboard and stylus for free, something other brands would easily charge another $100 for. The build quality feels ultra premium, the software feels optimized, and it delivers one of the best overall tablet experiences you can buy without breaking the bank. So there you have it. The best tablets you can buy right now without paying those ridiculous flagship prices. Every model here has been tested, compared, and reviewed with real-world use in mind, not just specs on paper. Whether you're a student looking for a laptop replacement, a creator who edits on the go, or someone who just wants a powerful device for streaming and multitasking, there's one here that fits your setup perfectly. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. It really helps more than you'd think. And subscribe if you want honest, tested recommendations instead of marketing hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.